Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something very important. Today we'll learn how you can connect Excel sheet with PowerPoint presentation. So whenever you will change data in Excel sheet, it will be automatically updated in your presentation. So let's fix this problem. And this is my last quarter presentation report. For new data, we will directly go to the Excel sheet and here I have complete sales report. So we will copy this table using Ctrl C. So now let's get back to the presentation. Below paste, you can see a small arrow. Click on that arrow and select paste special. And here select paste link, not paste. And that's the magic. And after that, select Microsoft Excel workbook object. Click OK. And now you can see you have that table in your presentation. And now I will show the magic. I will open Excel and PowerPoint presentation side by side. And once I will change India's sales data in Excel sheet, it gets updated in PowerPoint presentation, and that's the magic. And now I will use completely new Q2 sales data in Excel sheet, and within the second you can see that gets updated in your PowerPoint presentation. So from today, don't waste your time in manual copy pasting. Yes, one important thing. If you want to change color and formatting, you have to do in source file. So if you are in a PowerPoint, click on this table, it will directly open the main Excel file. Change everything there like formatting, style and color, and that will be directly updated in this PowerPoint. So now let's go to the next slide, and here we have chart and we will also connect that. Go to the Excel sheet, select chart and copy it. In PowerPoint paste drop down, you will get 2-3 options to link data, and we will select keep source formatting and link data, so you will have same formatting like Excel with connected data in your slide. And now see, if I will change data in Excel sheet, chart will be automatically updated in PowerPoint. Superb. And if it is not happening, my friend, don't take tension. Click on chart, go to the design tab on top and click on refresh data. It will be. So see, my friend, how this small trick will save you a lot of time and make your life more easy. So you can spend your time for better things like watching my videos. And if you want to learn more about Excel, my friend, check the link given above. And if you like my content, please like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next videos. Till then, bye. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.